Hi everyone, I hope you're well. Welcome to another edition of the Airblast Insider with me, Dean Wilson. Now today's episode is about the really important issue of air quality tests. It's advised that you undertake your air quality tests every 3 months or more frequently if you can't guarantee the quality of the air supplied. Now this is an HSE requirement and applies to everyone working in hazardous environments. Now when you hire a compressor to deliver breathing air, the responsibility for proving that the air quality is good enough falls on you, the user. You should carry out an air quality test or arrange to have one carried out when the compressor is delivered. Now, depending on the work you're doing, you may have to conduct and arrange an air quality test far more frequently than every 3 months. Now, we undertake professional air quality testing for you here at Airblast Eurospray. If you visit our website, you'll see a link to book a test. Click on that or just get in touch with our team direct. We're happy to bring filters and cartridges or other spares to the site to save you the carriage. Just let us know what you need when you book. We have another video about the Radex breathing unit and how to change the cartridges, so check that out and don't forget to drop us a line if you have any questions. So until next time, get those tests booked in and breathe safely.